Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block contact, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, which means that this number has been blocked and you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just tap on the 3 dots icon and tap on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back and tap on this settings icon in the contacts in the right upper corner and tap on blocked and tap on blacklist. And as you can see here, we've got the number which we've blocked from our contacts, so the previous option works. Here we can also tap on this plus icon and enter the number we want to block and tap on add, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this trash bin icon and tap on remove. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.